Shawn.
Young Manus.
Back again, sir.
Oh yeah.
With a simple, easy yet elegant tomato grilled cheese.
Hell yes.
I've been making them with tomato for years and years. I haven't made one with just cheese. I don't remember when.
Yeah.
I don't know. Tomato's just a home run for me.
You want tomato, you never look back.
You never look back.
Wild.
We got some pretty good plum, sort of aroma, but really plum tomatoes here. I'm gonna start with just cutting these up, and then we're gonna build on the. How many pieces you putting in? I'm having a pretty thick cut.
Cut the whole thing. Figure it out. Okay.
Look how easy that is now.
Yeah.
And once you have the micro serrations, just start at that. The skin's really tough, actually. I think it's actually pretty tough on your body too, just digesting it, in general.
You know what? I've never cut a tomato properly.
What do you mean? How do you cut tomato?
I don't eat tomato in general, but just doing this now, I've realized, oh yeah, I've been cutting through them and smushing them,
Right. It's you know what? Not only is it just a cleaner cut with sharp knife going really slow, right? You get accurate cuts, but you're less likely, and this is real, it sounds counterintuitive, you're less likely to cut yourself by far with a really sharp knife if you're careful than with a dull knife. A dull knife, everyone always has to put more pressure on it. And depending on where your fingers are, you always put more pressure on it with a duller knife. You're gonna have a higher slippage, you're gonna have a higher cut right now. You gotta be careful here. Sometimes I'll check, because this keeps slipping, I'll cut just a little flat part where it stands up, and then I'm able to grab it with the nails, your knife right up against them, and this is sharp enough. Boom. I got my 4 pieces here. Nice. All right, so that's heating up. There's plenty of butter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer, it's a good idea, have this all one thing ready to go. All right. Transfer mine over here. Are you doing both at the same time?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? Yeah. What I like to do, I think it's a good move.
Yeah.
Just take one piece and just kind of.
Oh yeah, you kind of
have that butter first, because this is going to be the top piece, right?
Yeah.
So that's the move. Set that aside, and then put your other piece down. Make sure that's. I just kind of give it a few turns. Literally turning it with my fingers a little bit.
Yeah.
And you can do that with your bottom piece now. You got plenty of butter over there to do that.
Yep.
And
drop a little more in.
Oh, good idea, yeah, just in case. See, I know I'm good because I have enough there, and I got plenty of butter on this side. So I'm gonna start building. Everyone knows that provolone and Swiss kind of work really well with a lot of my recipes. Yeah. But for this, I do either provolone or American.
Okay.
It's kind of what I've been using for a while now with the tomato.
Oh, you just okay.
Well, I like to get every surface of the bread covered, even if it's one piece, one thick piece.
Yeah. See, I just drop them in hot. So
that works too.
Me, man on the go.
Just man on the go.
Aren't
we all?
Yeah. You're just like, hang
on a minute.
Let me take it easy.
Let me take it easy. Let me there.
Yeah.
Need one more piece of cheese. Yeah. Right, and then you can get under it. Yeah, that's like the safe way to go. Sweet. Give it a go. We'll pop that lid on there. Perfect. Sort of. Lift that up for a second. What I want to do is just shit. Pop that lid on there, sir. And there's so much residual heat underneath. Yeah. We're gonna go off.
Yeah, you're right.
It's still crisping up that bottom. You're still gonna get some color.
Yeah.
But we know it won't really burn, and that cheese will be melted with this lid on it. That's the move. There you go, sir.
Sure.
See what that lid did? I mean, look, your cheese is gonna melt. You leave this on there long enough, but
Yeah. Nice shit. Good. Oh, that's good. That's the best grilled cheese I've ever seen.
You know, see what I bet the bottom looks even better.
Yeah.
Like the bottom of the crust.
Yeah. Look at that.
And depending on how much cheese you use.
It's like liquid.
I know, well, it's American. It works so good with this.
Liquefied.
Bottom even looks better. Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, the bottom's a nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's still really, really toasted and crispy. Yeah. What I like to do, I like to put it on the cutting board,
Okay.
and I'll just give it a. Right. I was gonna say you could do the straight for these for whatever reason. I
Yeah.
just like the corner to corner.
Yep. It's a scientific fact you get more sandwich when you cut.
You just get more food. It's just the laws of physics.
Mm-hmm. Oh my god. That's a big one.
That combo
It's good.
of the grilling, that tomato, it's so easy,
Yeah.
so simple to make. I mean, anybody can make this. Hard to screw it up. Just watch your heat. You know,
Yeah.
you don't need a lot of butter. It kind of turned out like really perfect. It's really, really, really good.
Yeah.
Nice. Success?
Success.
Mm.
That was gonna suck. Yeah, more important.
Nah, not important.
Yeah.
Just enjoy the grilled cheese.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, a little ham with my grilled cheese.
Actually, yeah, I did that years ago. I just haven't done it in a while. Ham, or even make a little bit of honey turkey or something.
Yeah, something. You fit a nice slice.
Make
of
it like a melt. Make it like a
Yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah. I used to date a chick. She would yell at me when
couple
I,
thin pieces works.
yeah. She would yell at me when I call it a grilled cheese with ham. She's like, "That's a melt."
Right. For some folks, once you add meat to it, it becomes a melt.
Yeah.
But yeah, good to go. Feel free to use whatever cheese you want in here, with or without the tomato. Try other vegetables if you want. A lot of variations to this. None of them are really wrong. You know, whatever you want to do.
Cheese, butter, bread, tomato, ham.
Pretty classic.
Dude, you know what?
Next time we'll do the ham or turkey or something.
Grilled
We'll make
cheese.
2 different melts.
Check me out. Grilled cheese,
Yeah.
bacon.
Success yet again. Boom.
Don't talk with food in your mouth.
Yep. And stay tuned for the Garden of Eden salad.
Salad dropping soon.
Later.